I used to always stay in, bottle myself in, away from the world. Used to drink a lot, and I didn't go out or anything. So the support I get off Nathan, it's like he gives me the right guidance and the support to go down. I've got a mental health worker who works on the side of Nathan, who I see once every 2 weeks. I've pushed myself more than I could ever push myself. I used to volunteer up at Mold Crown Court. Nathan got me working there, just running the CAF.
It's not just running the CAF though, is it? There was a massive part of trust placed on you there, and that trust was placed within the first week of you being there, and that says a lot about your character as well. He was key holding and all sorts when he was there, and to go from not wanting to come out of the house to getting on the bus on your own, to having a panic attack when you were on the bus and you still went there and still remained focused. All these barriers that you've overcome are massive, mate.
I'm also autistic, so I hide kind of stuff away from everyone. I've not had the support before, so it's always been a struggle, but I've always been one to bottle things in away from parents and family members, so getting the support now off Tracy and the mental health team too, it's really helpful. I've always, I don't know, had a passion for helping people and supporting people. Want to go down there.
The mentoring side, isn't it? So we're doing the maths, English, computer literacy soon, aren't we? And then in between that we'll be meeting as well, and we'll be doing group work, and again you're going to be a big part of helping people feel comfortable in the new group work stuff we do. And I think that shows a lot about, again, we're trusting you to be that person in our team as well. So it's there's a bit of advocacy going on there too, which is another skill that I don't think you realise you possess. It's a gift, actually, the way you can speak to people. It's a gift, a skill you have to work on. You don't, it just comes natural. So I'm lucky you do half the job for me.